Ready to save your video project? Let me show you how to export and save your masterpiece in Adobe Premiere Rush. First, when you are done editing, click on the share button in the top right corner of the Adobe Premiere Rush. Next, choose your desired export settings like the resolution or file format. Then click Export to save your video to your computer. You can upload your video directly to social media from the export screen. Let me know in the comments if you have saved your video. Now your video is ready to share with the world. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.